Hey, what's up, students? Today I'm diving into two super important concepts in statistics, skewness and kurtosis. These terms might sound fancy, but they play a huge role in understanding your data distributions. First up, skewness. Imagine you're looking at a graph of your data. Skewness tells you if your data is leaning more towards one side. If the tail on the right side of the distribution is longer, we call it positively skewed. If it's on the left, it's negatively skewed. Why does this matter? Well, skewness can affect your mean and median, giving you a clearer picture of where most of your data points lie. Now let's talk about kurtosis. This is all about the tailedness of your data distribution. If your data has less scores in the tails and fewer outliers and extreme scores, it's leptokurtic. More scores in the tails due to outliers or extreme scores in the distribution, that's platykurtic. And if it's somewhere in between, we call it mesokurtic. Kurtosis helps you understand the tails of your data. Are there outliers or data points that are extremely different from the rest? So why should you care? Knowing the skewness and kurtosis of your data helps you choose the right statistical tests and make better decisions based on your data. For instance, if your data is heavily skewed, you might need to transform it before performing certain analyses. Alright, let's wrap this up. Skewness and kurtosis are like the secret ingredients that shape your data's story. Whether you're crunching numbers for a school project or diving into advanced research, understanding these concepts will give you a major edge. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and happy studying.